everyone. Hello everyone, this is Irene. This is episode 7. When you've been hurt, ang dali yung mawala ng tiwala sa ibang tao, sa buhay. Pero ang pinakamahirap, yung mawala yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. I used to second guess everything. Lahat ng desisyon. Parang may boses sa ulo ko na nagsasabing, what if I'm wrong again? What if I get hurt again? You start to think na baka hindi ka marunong pumili. Baka lagi ka na lang magkamali. And so, you stop moving. You stay in places and situations that feel safe. Kahit hindi ka na masaya. Pero healing taught me something. Hindi ka pinanganak para mabuhay sa takot. You are here to live fully, openly, even if it means you might get hurt again. I started small, choosing for myself in little things, what to eat, where to go, kung sino ang papasukin sa araw ko. And every time I made a choice, kahit simpleng choice lang, I proved to myself na kaya ko pala, na hindi ako palaging mauuwi sa sakit. So I start all over again. Rebuilding trust in yourself isn't instant. It's built sa mga araw na pumipili ka kahit natatakot ka. Sa mga gabi na pinipili mo yung kapayapaan kaysa yung familiarity ng gulo. Sa mga pagkakataon na pinipili mo yung sarili mo kahit may gustong bumalik sa buhay mo na dati mong mahal. And slowly, you'll feel it. The fear doesn't go away completely. Pero the courage gets louder. Hindi ka na masyadong takot. Sinasabi mo na lang, try mo ulit. Baka this time, mag-work. There's this hope sa bawat pagsubok, sa bawat risk na i-take mo, meron yung pag-asa. One day, you'll look at yourself and realize you trust yourself again. And when you trust yourself, the world feels different. You stop settling, you start living, and you finally believe that something good is still coming. Thank you for watching and sitting with me. And I hope you have learned something or I gave you a hint of hope para magtiwala ulit sa sarili mo. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, Quiet Light by Irene.